Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader with the market and Holly update for the week ending April the 6th. And I made mention of this earlier in a couple of the videos, and I am very happy to announce that the test drive for Trade Ideas will be beginning on April the 16th. And what we do is we give you a 5-day all-inclusive pass for just $8.88, where you can test drive Holly. You can use all her features and find out for yourself if you like the software, if you like the product. If you do, then we can give you some discount codes so you can sign up for a whole month or for a whole year. You can get the standard or the premium, and we'll get more into that later in today's video and in future videos. Well, we have a lot to cover today, so let's first take a look at the markets, how they finished out the day and how they finished out the week. So you can see here the last 5 days that the diamonds were kind of all over the place. We did have a pretty good pullback yesterday. You can see for the week we had pretty much a doji week. We did close down a little bit lower on the week, but definitely pulled back some. Let's take a look at the IBB. Once again, we pulled back and we hit some new lows here, which is maybe a little bit concerning. And you can see here on the daily, definitely looks somewhat concerning there. But like we've talked about, we just really need to watch and see what direction everything goes here. But it was definitely a pullback kind of week here. The IWM Russell 2000 once again was kind of all over the place during the week. We had those 3 good days, but a pretty good pullback on Friday, and for the week we are down as well. The SPY we can take a look at, and we can see the SPY closed down, pretty much the same story again. So we were pretty much down across the boards, and so it turned out to be a rough week. All this talk about the trade war with China and all the tariffs has a lot of people scared. We talked about the size of the candles. Once again here, if you look at the SPY, you can see how they were fairly small and controlled, and now since we've had all this volatility, you can see the size of those candles. So be careful with your trading. You just have to see what direction it goes. Make sure you're comfortable with any risks you're taking, any trades you enter. Calculate carefully where you want your stops to be. And now let's take a fast look at Holly. Holly for yesterday only had 4 trades. We had 3 short trades and we had 1 long trade, and it was a down day for her overall. The risk off, she was at minus 12 cents, and for the risk on, she was at minus 25 cents. So it was not a real good day for Holly for the day. But if we take a look at the week, Holly had 26 short trades. She made a profit of 70 cents on those short trades, risk on profit of 61 cents. So it worked out to be pretty much the same no matter how you slice that. On the long side of things, she had 48 trades, so just about twice as many, for a profit of 205, and her risk on profit was $7.81. So a good week on the long side of it. And total, she had 26 short, 48 long, total of 74 trades. 275 was the profit, risk on profit 842. So, in spite of the markets being all over the place, I think Holly handled it very, very well. And let's go ahead and take a look at this test drive just a little bit more. You can see here I copied the code in here, test drive 888. That's at the bit.ly. If we hit enter, it's going to take you to the Trade Ideas page. And of course the computer wants to go a little bit on the slow side here, so let's see if we can get to it. There we go, there we go. And so you're going to get this screen here, which you see here, and you just simply click reserve your test drive. You fill in your information. You've of course got to give your credit card information, and that'll for $8.88 starting on April the 16th, you'll have 5 full days to use that. So we definitely think Holley is a very, very good product, and we encourage you to check her out. If you want to learn a little bit more about Holley, you can go right to this website right here. Certainly, if you're comfortable, sign up for the test drive. And as always, we would encourage you to follow our blog at bullseyetrader.com, like us on Facebook, Twitter, StockTwits, and make sure at the lower right of the video you hit this thumbs up so that you like it, and you can share this video with your friends and like-minded people, and you can subscribe to this if you never want to miss an issue. So once again, I want to thank you, and God bless.